Don't bite me. Eat my fingers.
He's hungry.
Eat my fingers. We're hungry too, you know. We're hungry too. Good morning, what's happening everyone? It's Scott here and I'm on a road trip to North Wales this weekend. I'm going to pick up my buddy Junior and I'm driving this brand new Dacia Duster all the way up there and we're going to go surfing and ziplining. You've made it!
Hello mate!
What time's this, mate? How you doing,
Trains,
alright?
buses, how's it going mate?
Yeah, good, you?
This car is beautiful, by the way, and it's been an absolute dream to drive. It's fantastic.
Has it been a dream?
It has been.
Have
a
you
dream,
been alright with driving?
I've been absolutely perfect.
No, didn't nearly go backwards into a reservoir.
I didn't.
Alright, our first North Wales adventure is at Penrith Quarry, which is the fastest zipline in the whole world and the longest in Europe. How are you feeling about it, Junior?
I'm ready. I was born ready. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling great. Feeling fantastic. Absolutely astounding. I'm ready to go.
It's 9:30 in the morning and he still comes up with all this shit. I don't know how, I'm not quite sure how he does it.
Just had our first encounter in this thing. I don't even know what to call it.
Appetizer.
Yeah, it was like the nibble. I felt like being an adult in a really tight diaper. This thing right here. It says diaper. Easy. Alright, what do you want to say? Nappies? Yeah.
Wow, that was mad. How did you find it, mate?
Got tears in my eyes still. That's a good sign.
That was pretty epic. That was fast. Next up in our Dacia road stories is this Surf Snowdonia. I've been super excited to be at this place ever since I saw it was created. I think it's the largest artificial surfing pool in the world, but I'm not sure. How are you feeling, Junior? This is a man that's a little nervous right here.
This is the face of a concerned man. Okay, I'm concerned, worried.
Never surfed, a little bit worried about his swimming ability. I think he needs armbands. If you can get armbands, they can give you armbands, right? Give him some armbands, I'm sure he'll be fine. Look at him, look at him. We've just finished doing that here at Surf Snowdonia. We were more like there in the beginner area, but honestly, it's freaking awesome. Like, I loved it. Junior loved it. Look at it. How cool is this place? This thing here just does an artificial wave all the way along. The bigger wave is in the middle, the smaller waves are at the side. You have to come and check this out if you come to North Wales. It's amazing. I must tell you guys, his followers, he did stand up. And I want to add as well, this is probably the first and only time I'm going to say something nice on camera.
So yeah.
He stood up on his third wave. His third wave.
See that?
That's impressive.
I'm just natural, baby.
He didn't stand up on the 4th to the 50th.
Okay, that's enough. I'm going to just cut that out.
after our first stop at Great Orme, which is some of the best viewpoints you're going to find in North Wales. We've now come to Conwy Castle. I actually came here about 3 or 4 years ago, and the place is awesome. I've lost Junior, I'm going to go and find him now. Alright, I think I found him. There he is!
Where did you go?
Loving Conwy Castle, isn't he?
Absolutely.
Lost in the castle. Sometimes when you go a little bit off the beaten track, you find cool little spots like this. These views over the valleys and these tiny little Shetland ponies, look. They're just cruising, they're just chilling and chewing, aren't they? Chilling and chewing, that's what they do around here in Wales. Welsh Shetland ponies. Look. So we are heading out of Wales. It's been probably way more epic than I expected. Like, genuinely feel like you can relate this place to Canada. And actually driving this car has been a joy. I've not driven a Dacia before. A brand new Dacia Duster, which I just read starts at about £10,000, which I think is unbelievable because this is a lot of car for not a lot of money. It's got a really nice exterior. I really like the bodywork, the alloys, the style on the front. So thumbs up for the Dacia. If you plan to come and spend some time in North Wales, the sun has come out today as well. If you've got this kind of weather, you can't beat it. So allow yourself plenty of time and come and check out this part of the world. Happy travels, we're out.